Hello, my name is Anita Pearce, and I want to share an inspirational thought with you today. I'm not a great cook, but when I set out to bake a cake, and I collect all of the ingredients, you've got flour and eggs and baking powder and some of those things. Any one of those things alone does not taste very good. But when you mix it all up, put it in the oven and bake it, it makes a delicious cake. So there are a lot of things in life that we go through. They're not very pleasant, and by themselves, they don't make any sense. We don't like them, we don't want them. But when we look back at our lives and see how everything came together, we can understand the scripture that says in Romans 8:28, and we know that all things work together for good, to them that love God, to them who are the called according to his purpose. Maybe what you're going through right now doesn't make sense, but someday you'll look back and see how God's plan fit everything together to make something good out of your life. God bless you.